Should we do stretches? Okay, I think we're ready to film now.
Hey Glampers, welcome to season 2. We are celebrating her birthday this weekend, all weekend, and we are in Kentucky. We're at the Red River Gorge area, and I think we have a lot planned.
We're going to be spending the weekend here to celebrate my birthday, and then we also have Jeff and Lindy coming because we found out through our camping trips that me and Jeff share the same birthday. So we're going to be celebrating our birthdays together.
And if you remember back in January, and we'll link that video up here, that Lindy broke her leg while we were hiking. So it's not going to limit us too much, but she still can't put any weight on it. So we're going to really be sensitive of what we do so she can be involved.
We just want to bring you guys along with us.
And we're going to have fun either way. Guys, so if you saw last week's video, we stopped at the Bearded Butchers. I'm using their seasoning on the bison burgers we got, and then also we got the wild boar brats. So we ended up using a couple of them with black, a couple with chipotle, and the rest in the original. So
happy birthday to you, you live in a zoo, you look like a monkey, and you smell like one too.
Did you see Burt Reynolds?
morning. So as part of Tony's birthday weekend, she wants to do some hiking. So we have decided to, I think one of the hikes she wanted to do was the Indian Staircase. If you haven't seen, if you don't know what that is, look it up on YouTube. It's kind of sketchy. So if you don't see us again, that's why. We stepped into the rhododendron forest here. I mean, nothing but.
Yeah.
It's weird.
You probably can't see me, but you can see Mike. We turned around.
Yeah. We just made the decision that we were on a trail to nowhere.
Yeah. We're going back.
We've been at it for almost 2 hours.
Which we're still okay.
Yeah, we're fine. I mean, I'm just hungry.
Yeah.
I'm like a bear that just come out of his den.
Well, don't say.
There are bears in this neck of the woods.
He's always a bear that comes out of his den when he's hungry. Right?
I don't agree with that statement, but hey.
Okay, he's hangry. Let's all agree on that. A shortcut I guess not. That was dumb.
Maybe I should lead.
He's not gonna let me lead again for that. We made it.
Well, we didn't really make it.
Yeah.
We decided to turn around, like we said. We ended up doing 5 1/4 mile, but it was beautiful scenery. We're thinking that when we hit that split in the trail, where we went right and left, we went right. We probably should have went left. So
Yeah.
hey, it gives us an opportunity to come back down here, and we got other hikes scheduled. No loss. I mean, we didn't get to see what we wanted to see here, but the hike is beautiful.
All right, so we got the bikes out for the first time. That was so much fun. I like these. So this is where we were yesterday. This is Chimney Top.
Chimney Rock. Alright guys, we are here for the natural bridge. There's 2 ways to get to it though. You can hike or you can take a sky lift. I think we're taking the sky lift. Hopefully it's open, but we'll check it out.
Found out they just opened and we got sold the first 2 tickets of the season. So they're getting ready to open up. So hopefully it's still working, and I don't honestly know if I want to be the first person.
They've done their maintenance.
We hope that they kept up on the maintenance. Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, here we go. I think they said it's a 600-foot climb.
This is starting to make me nervous.
These guys do it probably every day.
Yeah, I
They
don't.
go up.
That is so steep, and I bet you can't
You
even
gotta
tell by
video
the
this
camera view.
If you haven't noticed, Joni's a little afraid of heights.
I don't like this. Look at that thing shaking
So
and all
just
the
doing
noise.
this was a
Obviously,
major feat.
this is like, look at that thing vibrating, and okay, I want to hang on to something. Oh, that's lovely. Somebody put a bullseye mark right down there. Oh, gee, Christmas. I don't like this. I don't care if my hand does get cold.
It looks like a cave down there.
It does.
I mean, and then they're going to stop us when those guys get off, and then they'll stop us again when that. So we're going to get stopped about halfway. He told us not to freak out.
Yeah. Oh, gee.
They may only stop us when they do the.
They may be able to get off real
Yeah,
quick.
they can get off,
But then they got the cooler behind them.
but they're gonna have to unlock stuff, and then
This is, if you don't like heights, not a good place to be. I'm gonna hold this up behind me. I don't know what you can see.
bring it this way. There we go. Up the cliff face. If that was the
I'm
actual
not,
trail.
I don't want to have that discussion right now.
I'm trying to get your mind off of what you're doing, honey. Just think of something different.
No,
Look at how pretty the rocks are. Hey, at least we're there.
we're almost there.
Yep.
Dear Lord, thank you for getting me here.
So we just got off the lift. Real short walk, hike to the natural bridge, and that's it right behind me.
We're on top of
We're
it.
on top of the natural bridge, so we're gonna go check that out. It's got a spot called Lover's Leap. I don't think we'll be trying that out today.
No.
Fat guy's problems, right? Yeah. Thanks, guys. Oh, here's the ultra dramatic part right here. Oh, complete freaking drop. There's nobody else on it.
Holy cow, there's my shoe. So hopefully it accentuates how steep. Oh, crap, and then they slow down. Are you kidding me? And this rock, you can almost touch it with your foot. Me don't likey. I'll like
better
it.
when we get down there. Then
No,
it's
it'll be
not.
better once I get off.
Raise the bar. Cross that yellow line next to your right, guys.
Thanks.
Good one.
Thank you. Where are we going?
We are going on a Jeep trail, Northern Kentucky Jeep group, and the leader is one Jeep crew, and we got invited to go along with them at the park and ride at the Welcome Center.
What do you think?
I think it's cool.
Radio check. Gotcha. Take it back, baby.
He's broke.
He's got something hanging.
I'm sure you guys have all heard the myth that the captain goes down with their ship.
It's not true.
It's not true. I guarantee you if something happens, I will be the first person that gets off this boat. So if you see me jump off the side, you probably, go with me. It is a mine, meaning it is 100% man-made. Now you will notice we have two different sizes of these trout in here. So these are actually being made into this thing. We've actually figured out a way to make those things solar powered. Ready? On the count of three, here we go. 1. So as you guys can see, you cannot. Yeah, you can stand up and touch the ceiling here. But if you were to stretch ours out from where it starts right here, where it stops right behind that column in one continuous straight line, this kettle bottom is actually going to be anywhere between 60 to 70 feet in total. Like, oh, shell no, and they put this berm up here to keep people machinery from going back.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
Hey guys, I know we're at home and we're doing this little recap here because, silly me, I forgot the battery charger for our camera batteries at home. So we went through 5 batteries in a weekend, and so we just waited till we got back to throw this part in. But we just wanted to thank you guys for coming along.
Yeah, just make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and some comments down there. Tell us what you thought of the video, and we'll see you next week. Happy glamping. One blaze. You're like looking at my crotch.
Even though I do forget how old I am sometimes.
Hey,
I know I'm 43 this year, because you reminded me.
You're so wrong. You're 42.
I am?
Yes.
Are you serious? Okay, I'll take 42. All right. I just told somebody I was going to be 43.
Hey, welcome back, guys. Again. We're down here in Texas. Texas. I'm in Kentucky. I want to be in Texas. I'll just start it. We're down here. Where did that come from? Stop laughing. We're celebrating this young lady's birthday, and we're down here in Kentucky. I still had to stop and think.